got the rush blinking out. Oh, we got in just at the 6. I'm so sorry for all the people I'm accidentally videoing right now. Well, this was the best place. This was the best place to see. Oh! Oh! Leo would have freaked out if he was here. Leo would have absolutely freaked if he was here. No Joel and Kira though, unfortunately. I thought they definitely would have been here to see the fireworks. Joel and Kira, if you're watching this. Yep, I came to see you. I came to look for you. You're mine. You ain't getting away from me, little guys. I'll never let you go. One of these days, I'm gonna find you, and I'm gonna get ya. Oh. We got the paramedics, just in case. This feels like that seeing stars from Hell of a Boss scene. I can hear a kid behind me. There's a woman drinking. Ooh. These are probably the most... These are epic! These are probably the best... These are the best fireworks I've ever seen. To date. Tess is crying. Is this making you a bit emotional? Is this making you a bit emotional? On the last night. Yes, I'm a The Lion Guard fan, don't ask. Pig for Charlie? What?
Sorry guys.
Ooh, there's a girl who came here in some sexy socks. Some sexy boots. I see ya. I'm recording this. I'm hearing you out. I'm sorry, I'm such a weirdo.
That's why I'm crying.
I just heard Joel's voice.
I have to stop showing.
You're right, son. This might be the finale. Leo would have absolutely freaked if he was here.
That was good.
Leo would have
Good on
absolutely.
Tess. Apart from my little moment I was having.
Could it make you a bit emotional?
Oh, it's just the last year I'll be on my own, Layla. I'll have a baby next year. It'll be my last ever fireworks as a single I can find the baby. I want to go out and Righto. That was great. Do you want a drink?
I got Coke in here.
What's the fireworks? Go get ice cream?
Sure. Oh, what are we gonna go get ice cream? Ah!
So Tessie can go get some sleep.